Okay, good morning. Let us answer your assignment. Okay, your assignment is to make a ladder for your Y0, Y1, and Y2. It is a traffic light, so there must be a delay of 50 milliseconds or 5 seconds in each of the Y's or each of the loads. Okay, so let's do the ladder. Okay, we need to put normally open for your set X21. So we will address to X20, X20, and for your reset we address that to X21. Then your Y0, and then we will put a timer here, T0, K50, K50 or 5 seconds, 50 milliseconds. That is a 50 milliseconds. And then we will put a connector here or ship. We will draw a vertical line or connector. We'll just click enter. Then another normally open contact, which is addressed to T0. Then Y1, should be Y1, so meaning to say after 5 we forgot to put a latch and a cut off here, latch for Y0, then the cut off normally close, address to T0. Okay, so after 5 seconds Y0 should be turned off. Okay, and then after 5 seconds also, the normally open contact T0 should be triggered. Okay, we need to put a latch address to Y1. Okay, so and then since that your assignment also requires 5 seconds for Y1 to lit or to emit light, so there should be a timer here below Y1. So T0 at T1, K50. Okay, and then we put a vertical line here. Then just click enter. Then we will put a cut off here, so that after 5 seconds or 50 milliseconds Y1 should be turned off. Okay, T1. Okay, should be addressed to T1. And then after 50 milliseconds, Y2 should turn on. So there must be normally open contact here, which is T1, and then your output Y2, okay, which is green. Okay, green. And then we need to put a latch here, Y2, and then we put a timer. The timer is T2. Okay, T2. Okay, 50. And then put a vertical line. Then this should be T2, normally open, normally close, T2, so that after 5 seconds or 50 milliseconds, this will cut the supply to Y2. Okay, now I ask you to make the program continuous. So you need to connect a normally closed contact here, a normally open, I should say, normally open contact, which is addressed to T2, because the last timer is T2. So meaning to say after 5 seconds, Y0 will again emit light. Okay, so that's it about your assignment. So I hope you got the correct answer for our ladder. So we convert the ladder, then we write to PLC. So we'll try to observe 5 seconds. Yellow, green, then after that should be green again. Red, sorry. Okay, red, yellow, green, and then red, yellow, green. Okay, as simple as that.